Welcome to another edition of Sour Johns. I want a little update, let you know what's going on with our perfect pickle project, as we're calling it. And, you know, they are just getting better and better. This is a 10-day sour. Salinity is about 5%, and that's total weight of water and Kirby. And this one's been going now about 10 days. And one thing I've really been watching, in my chamber, is that the temperature is dropping outside, but we're keeping a consistent temperature in the chamber. So we're running on average around 68 to 71 degrees. So figure around 70, 69 in that range. And keeping it up, boy, I'm going to tell you right now, the sour that's coming through is just amazing. This is right out of the fermenteria, or the fermentery. This coming right off, hasn't seen any refrigeration yet. This is a 10-day sour. And the crisp sour, I mean, oh man, almost get that like that. Woo! So, product has just been amazing. This is the horseradish dill, one of our best sellers, and it's really out there, really doing well. Horseradish and garlic and dill, and I use just a couple Thai chilies for background flavor. Not a spicy lacto fermented vegetable, you may call it pickle, at all. They're being great, and what's really important is that we're keeping up on that crispiness. I had a turmeric sour that's got to be off fermentation for a couple weeks now, and when I eat it, you get that squeaky feeling. That squeaky noise that you get almost from tires, and like a bicycle tire on a wet thing. So it really comes out really well. So you really want to make sure that taking that flowering end off is really gonna help to make your Kirby nice and firm. Won't make it a wet limp. What somebody was calling it before. And we got that all fixed. So we have our Thai chili garlic is no longer going to be made. The real deal Thai has kind of taken it over. Our turmeric sour, we've balanced out with more turmeric and less of the Korean chili powder. So really focusing on that anti-inflammatory. And even our mole pickle has been refined and taken down the mole. The mole sauce is really beating up the fermented cucumber. The Kirby really bad, so I backed off on the amount of chilies and overall spices in the mole, and kind of balancing it with the actual sour brine, so one's not taking over any one. So the horseradish dill, the real deal Thai, the turmeric sour, and the mole seem to be the fan favorites right now. Just making more kimchi today. The kimchi's been phenomenal. Really using the Korean chili paste and fermented shrimp paste and broad bean paste from the Chengdu region of China in the kimchi has really been amazing. And I'm even sitting onto some specialty kimchi that I've been sitting on now for a couple of weeks, the baby bok choy and Chinese mustard green, which has been going really great. So don't forget Power Sour. Make sure you're eating your lacto-fermented vegetables, drinking your lacto-fermented juices, and if you taste that sour, you know it's been fermented and you know it's probiotic. All right, everyone, that's it for tonight. Have a good evening, and God bless. Take care.